heyitsfei, welcome back to my channel. I can't wait to do this video because it's been so long since I did a skincare video. Wow, she's excited. My face is a complete dry mess right now. I didn't even do skincare yet because I want to show you guys this new tool I saw on TikTok. I've been seeing this ad go around so much. You already know I'm a sucker. I decided that today was the day we get weird. Honestly though, have you guys seen this? Portable high frequency LZ006A. These tools are mainly used in the spas. I don't know, I never go to the spa. This is a self tool you can use at home. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a professional, nor am I licensed in anything. Do your due diligence, research, reach out to actual professionals. I just like risking it all. Not the smartest, but a great attitude. Again, I saw this promoted all over on TikTok. So if you know any more TikTok things you guys want me to try, let me know. This tool is so cool though because it uses electrodes to pass through your skin, which I don't understand the math. This is a high frequency skincare treatment for like fine lines, wrinkles, acne, pimples, overall texture, glow, stimulates new cell growth and renewal, increase collagen growth, enhance blood flow and circulation, reduce acne causing bacteria because it like kills it, you know, like zap zap. Exfoliate the skin cells and improve the overall appearance of the skin. I read this online by the way, so not my words, not my claims. Dude, it tightens saggy skin. Do you see the sag? Do you? Do your research because you can burn your skin and zap yourself and cause damage. And we know we have a lot of damage all around already. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is my skin close up. I'm trying not to yell, I'm so sorry. My acne has been clearing up. Thank you so much, Hers. I'm still using my Hers acne treatment cream every single freaking day. I do have an open wound right here, also here. So I'm not gonna touch on that open pimple because it could be a nightmare. The cool thing about this treatment is that it actually helps prevent your future pimples. If you're a licensed or professional esthetician, please leave some advice and tips down below for anyone who's interested, especially the Lindas, because we know the Lindas are impulsive. This may look like what you're thinking. It's a handpiece and there's an intensity knob that you can adjust here, so that's fun. These are the 4 glass tubes that come with, and you do want to take an alcohol swab to just kind of like cleanse it every time you use it. So I plugged it in. Ignore this piece of hair I have here.
Wait, don't plug it in yet.
I'm gonna go in with the mushroom tube first, and apparently this is good for like the whole face. And oh wait, no, I want to lie. First of all, we need to put some skincare on. Do not do this on dry skin. If you have really dry skin, you should be using it indirectly on your skin. And also if you have sensitive skin, use a gauze. I'm just gonna take my morning serum, and then of course I'm gonna pair it up with my moisturizer. This is gonna create a surface for us to slide around, slide on the DMs, get a nice layer up in there. I have a lot of face to cover. So now that you're all graced up, ready to grill, basically what you're gonna do is just insert it in, and it looks a little intimidating, but you really gotta push it in there, girl. Just like go in. I'm kind of scared to get zapped, honestly. This kind of stuff makes me fucking anxious. It does come with a little manual, so I'm just gonna read this again for the 10th time. It says to massage in the Z or helix on a client's face. I'm the client, and know that it's normal for sparkles to come out of the glass too while it touches your face. I have it on the lowest, okay, the lowest. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I have so much anxiety right now. I hate this. I'm scared. Stop being a fucking bitch. Okay. I'm so okay. Bitch, come on. I'm so... Oh, okay. Nothing. I feel nothing so far. Okay, so you want to turn it up so you can kind of feel it. I think I need to do a little higher. I do smell something. A bit of warmth coming through. Apparently it's better to roll it around your skin like this versus zapping yourself like I do feel like I need to intensify it just a little. Do you see that? It's red inside. I'm gonna intensify it. Okay, I'm just gonna roll this around my face. Ooh. I'm gonna do this over my big cheek pores, and then I'm gonna switch the tip so we can get around the nose area and the pimples. Feel a little bit of tingliness. I know I can feel more of it, but I'm too like freaking pussy to actually do more. Gosh, that's, look, do you see the red? Oh yeah. You don't want to be like digging it into your skin. don't want to leave this on your skin in one spot for like 10 seconds, and also if you're pregnant. I just have this huge freaking hole right here on my cheek. Mini vibrations, like that. You know when your feet falls asleep? Like it doesn't feel like that. I'm gonna use this one to go around my nose and my pores, and then we're gonna like spot treat the pimps and the little bumps that I'm still recovering from. Recovery. Shit takes long. It's not even contacting my skin yet, and you can hear the frequency go up. I'm mainly using this on the corner of my nose, the corner of my lip, my smile line. I'm actually gonna avoid my eye area because I have this tendency to think that I'm gonna go blind.
Oh my god!
And on your pores. Warming up. Takes a while to warm up. Not a while, but like a good while. Maybe half a while. Apparently, this helps minimize pores as well. Hello, that calls my name. It's like brushing your teeth, but your nose. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up a little. Ah! Whoa. Oh, it's fine, it's fine. So if you're like me, where you have literally no pain tolerance, take a few deep breaths in. It actually is quite relaxing, if I might say so. I'm just a very non-relaxed person that causes unnecessary shocks. Does my face look clear already? Like did I just cure my issues? Do you see that? Next, I'm gonna use the bin tool, which I call the Pimpy Zippy. What I call these down here, residue pimples. Little bumps that turn into pimples. Some mornings I wake up and they're white butted heads, ready to pop. That hormonal bump I'm still dealing with. It's no longer a bump. It left a scarish mark and open pimples. I will not be touching that only because I don't think you're supposed to. I'm sure I mentioned this before, but I have a lot of texture. So I'm not just talking my cheeks, my chin, in this area, my lower face. You can tell. There's not any. Don't feel anything, okay? Don't feel anything, okay? Did I break the tool?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Shocked me. I'm gonna rub it around the area for like, okay. It was like a needle poke. Again, you don't want to leave it on too long, so less than 10 seconds. You know, I feel it more up here than my lower chin area. Makes sense. Down here, it's a little harder, you know, your jaw. I think we're good. Can't give a permanent opinion on it because it is just my first impression. I'm gonna continue using this for a little while, so if you do want like major results in like a month or two, make sure to follow me on my vlog channel. What is going on? Pain tolerance is fine, just don't zap and shock yourself. That is basically it for my first impression. However, I do want to let you guys know and interrupt real quick before I go. heyitsfei is presenting their second annual Big Eagle Girls Leadership Summit virtually on July 31st. Tickets are now available to attend this life-changing event. Come join my piano creativity and authenticity to be yourself at 2 o'clock, and there's another amazing creator out there. I am so honored to be one of the women hosting this summit along with Tarte's founder and their CEO, Maureen Kelly, along with other powerful female creators. There are goodies, giveaways, raffles, and even scholarships that will be given away, so if you are someone who you're just trying to find empowerment and finding that next big step to just push you to be the person you are and do and follow your dreams, what are you waiting for? Do your dreams. Make them come true. This is a sign. This is your calling. Come to the event. Okay, Linda, that's all I have to say. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't